Dream Cars is your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, specifications, and features of some of the most iconic and rare automobiles. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you detailed insights into classic and luxury vehicles, helping you understand what makes each model special. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone looking for historical automotive knowledge, Dream Cars is here to deliver the best content on legendary vehicles. Today, we take a closer look at the LaSalle series, a name that holds a significant place in automotive history. The LaSalle series was a line of luxury automobiles produced by General Motors under the Cadillac division from 1927 to 1940. Positioned as a companion brand to Cadillac, LaSalle was designed to offer premium quality at a slightly more accessible price point while maintaining the prestige and performance associated with Cadillac vehicles. The styling of the LaSalle models was a key highlight, setting new standards in automotive design. The early models were designed by Harley Earl, one of the most influential automotive designers in history, who later became GM's first head of design. His work on the LaSalle series led to a sleeker, more streamlined look, which influenced Cadillac and other luxury cars for years to come. Under the hood, LaSalle cars were known for their performance and engineering. Early models were powered by a 303 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering a smooth and powerful driving experience. Later versions saw improvements in both power and efficiency, with engines borrowed from Cadillac's lineup. The 1934 models featured a 240 cubic inch straight-8 engine, offering refined performance while maintaining excellent reliability. By the late 1930s, LaSalle models were equipped with a 322 cubic inch V8, providing even greater power and smoother acceleration. The engineering advancements in these models ensured they remained competitive against other luxury brands of the era. The LaSalle series wasn't just about performance, it also introduced several innovative features that made it stand out. Some models included independent front suspension, which greatly improved ride quality and handling. Other advancements included synchromesh transmissions, allowing for smoother gear shifts, and hydraulic brakes, enhancing stopping power and safety. The interior of a LaSalle was designed with luxury in mind, featuring high-quality materials, plush seating, and elegant dashboard layouts that exuded sophistication. Buyers could customize their vehicles with premium options such as wood-trimmed dashboards, high-end upholstery, and even early forms of climate control, making each LaSalle a refined driving experience. One of the most notable aspects of the LaSalle series was its impact on automotive design and branding. The success of LaSalle proved that a companion brand could thrive alongside a flagship luxury division, influencing GM's strategy for years to come. However, by 1940, Cadillac decided to discontinue the LaSalle nameplate, as Cadillac itself had grown strong enough to cover the market segment LaSalle initially targeted. The last LaSalle models featured elegant and modern styling that previewed future Cadillac designs. Today, these cars remain highly collectible, admired for their craftsmanship, innovation, and role in shaping luxury car design. For collectors and enthusiasts, owning a LaSalle is like owning a piece of automotive history. Restored models fetch high prices at auctions, and their timeless appeal ensures they remain in high demand among classic car aficionados. Whether you're interested in their groundbreaking designs, engineering excellence, or historical significance, the LaSalle series is a fascinating chapter in the world of classic cars. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more detailed reviews, features, and specifications of legendary automobiles, make sure to subscribe to Dream Cars. Stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of some of the greatest cars ever made.